Crash Course on the American Education System and its Challenges and Innovations. The American education system is a complex and multifaceted system that includes both public and private institutions. The system is designed to provide students with a comprehensive education that prepares them for the future, and it faces a number of challenges and innovations as it strives to achieve this goal. One of the biggest challenges facing the American education system is the achievement gap. This refers to the disparity in academic performance between students of different races, ethnicities, and socioeconomic backgrounds. Despite efforts to close this gap, it remains a persistent problem in American education. Another challenge is the issue of funding. Public schools in the United States are primarily funded by local property taxes, which means that schools in low-income areas often have fewer resources and poorer educational outcomes than schools in wealthier areas. This has led to a debate about how to fund education more equitably and effectively. In recent years, there have been a number of innovations in the American education system. One of the most significant is the use of technology in the classroom. From interactive whiteboards to online learning platforms, technology has transformed the way students learn and interact with their teachers and peers. Another innovation is the rise of charter schools, which are publicly funded but operate independently from traditional public schools. These schools often have more freedom to experiment with new teaching methods and curricula, and they have become increasingly popular in recent years. To illustrate some interesting stories or examples, consider the following. In 2015, a school in Tennessee made headlines for implementing a program that allowed students to earn credits for participating in extracurricular activities, such as playing in a school band or volunteering in the community. The program was designed to help students who might struggle academically but excel in other areas, and it proved to be a success, with many students graduating on time and pursuing higher education. Another example is the success of the Knowledge is Power program, KIPP, a network of charter schools that serves low-income students in urban areas. KIPP has been praised for its rigorous academic standards and its focus on preparing students for college and beyond. Many KIPP graduates have gone on to attend top universities and succeed in their chosen careers. Here are the top 20 universities in the United States, as ranked by U.S. News & World Report in 2022. 1. Princeton University. Located in Princeton, New Jersey, Princeton University is a private Ivy League research university known for its strong undergraduate programs in the humanities and social sciences. 2. Harvard University. Located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, Harvard University is the oldest institution of higher learning in the United States and one of the world's most prestigious universities. It is known for its strong programs in law, business, and medicine, among others. 3. Columbia University. Located in New York City, Columbia University is a private Ivy League research university known for its strong programs in journalism, international affairs, and engineering, among others. 4. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. Located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, MIT is a private research university known for its strong programs in engineering, computer science, and business. 5. California Institute of Technology, Caltech. Located in Pasadena, California, Caltech is a private research university known for its strong programs in science, engineering, and technology. 6. University of Chicago. Located in Chicago, Illinois, the University of Chicago is a private research university known for its strong programs in economics, political science, and sociology. 7. Stanford University. Located in Stanford, California, Stanford University is a private research university known for its strong programs in engineering, computer science, and business. 8. Duke University. Located in Durham, North Carolina, Duke University is a private research university known for its strong programs in medicine, law, and business. 9. Johns Hopkins University. Located in Baltimore, Maryland, Johns Hopkins University is a private research university known for its strong programs in medicine, public health, and engineering. 10. University of Pennsylvania. Located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, the University of Pennsylvania is a private Ivy League research university known for its strong programs in business, law, and medicine. 11. Northwestern University. Located in Evanston, Illinois, Northwestern University is a private research university known for its strong programs in journalism, business, and law. 12 University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. Located in Los Angeles, California, UCLA is a public research university known for its strong programs in business, law, and medicine. 13 University of California, Berkeley. Located in Berkeley, California, UC Berkeley is a public research university known for its strong programs in engineering, computer science, and business. 14 University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. Located in Ann Arbor, Michigan, the University of Michigan is a public research university known for its strong programs in engineering, business, and law. 15 University of Virginia. Located in Charlottesville, Virginia, the University of Virginia is a public research university known for its strong programs in law, business, and education. 16 Cornell University. Located in Ithaca, New York, Cornell University is a private Ivy League research university known for its strong programs in engineering, computer science, and business. 17 University of Southern California, USC. Located in Los Angeles, California, USC is a private research university known for its strong programs in business, film, and medicine. 18 Carnegie Mellon University. Located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Carnegie Mellon University is a private research university known for its strong programs in computer science, engineering, and business. 19 Brown University. Located in Providence, Rhode Island, Brown University is a private Ivy League research university known for its strong programs in the humanities, social sciences, and engineering. 20 Georgetown University. Located in Washington, D.C., Georgetown University is a private research university known for its strong programs in law, international relations, and public policy. In conclusion, the American education system faces a number of challenges, but it also has a rich history of innovation and success. As the system continues to evolve, educators and policymakers will need to work together to ensure that all students have access to a high-quality education that prepares them for the future. Here is a poem on American educational systems and its challenges. In classrooms bright with promise and with hope, the American educational system shines. A beacon for those who seek to learn and cope, and forge a path where excellence aligns. But though this system stands with head held high, its challenges are many and complex too. For every student who must strive and try, there's an obstacle that seems insurmountable. From underfunded schools in poverty's grasp, to unequal access to resources and tools. From overcrowded classrooms that make it hard to clasp, to a culture that often deems learning uncool. And yet the system perseveres, and tries to meet the needs of each and every student, to help them rise above and reach the skies, and find success where once there was impediment. For every challenge faced, a solution sought. Innovations born to meet each need in turn. And in each student's life, a story wrought of a system that strives, and helps them learn. So let us celebrate this system, and its might, and work to make it stronger, day by day. So that every student, with each new insight, can find their own bright, shining way. *****. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.